Hi guys, I make this video kay kanang mag-shout out ko sa akong tiya na mapikas ako naong sa suga guys, kay ang akong light I used is natural light from the gikan sa lasang tanaw na ko be kung Bisaya mong kung manghipos makita ang akong view nga akong kuan akong na ako'y lata karton ba nga ipadas Pilipinas unya naa sa other side sa tanaw na ko be ay hindi na lang anyways. So sana lang ito makita mo yun anyways. I'd like to shout out to my tia in America, in Seattle, Tia Salome, and Uncle Dave. Thank you so very much sa inyong gisenda ko. I opened it and then karon pa ko nakapasalamat. And busy mong gugutiya but I'd like to tell you nga, thank you so very 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 much sa imong padana ko. First of all, this. As in, I have been asking nga maintag na ko'y crucifix. Yeah, then you send me this. I so appreciate it today. As in, I am so very happy. There's, as in, Christmas gift, birthday gift. Thank you so very much. I am so happy. Thank you very very much, Tia. My question is, na binditahan ba ni Tia? I'd like to know. So, thank you so very much, Jude. As in, I am so happy. Nabigil, palitog sa inyo, habis sa gingani lang gilo, dili lang gala ibutang sa kuan bongbong. Sa ibutang sa altar if you want. Thank you so much, Tia Salome. Thank you very much.